Gameplan HR makes it simple for admins to get set up. Start by logging into the admin portal with your company details. All the required admin account credentials will have been provided to you as part of the Gameplan HR onboarding process. Enter your company information and customize key settings such as company logo, etc. Teams and job roles should already have been configured by Gameplan HR onboarding team. However, it's best practice to ensure that these are correct and align with your company team structure. As part of the Gameplan HR onboarding, we gather data on your companies, teams, job roles, and the management structure. Although we do our best to configure this correctly, it's best practice for you to review this. Assign roles and permissions so managers and team leads get the right access. Employees are automatically invited to a turnkey solution already assigned to their teams, documents in place, and zero issues from day one. At Gameplan HR, we feel this step is critical to maximizing employee adoption from day one. In just a few steps, your admin portal is ready and your team is connected. Now, all you need to do is monitor employee engagement and account activation metrics to ensure that employees are activating their accounts and utilizing the technology. Watch the next video, First Steps for Employees, to see how your team gets started.